Hello students, good morning. There is a fourth chapter going on, heat and its effect. There we have done, that is in last class, that is the conduction. That here we have done how this there is a conduction take place. There is a heating, transfer of heating one body from the hotter to the colder without any actual movement of the molecule is called the conduction. After this one we have done that the good and bad conductor of the heat, which is the material is a good conductor and bad conductor. Conductor that which can conduct heat, that is a conductor. Which can't conduct heat, that is the insulator. After this one, usage of the good conductor of the heat we have done, that we are using stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminium, that are the good conductor of the heat, by which that means heat can be passed from them. Usage of the bad conductor, therefore their insulating handle, false ceiling, woolen garment, glue, then the double wall and the gunny bags, there we have done. In last class I have given for your homework these MCQ question. If you have not done about it and you have problem any, then you can check your answer now. First question, conduction of the heat take place only in solid, liquid, gas and air. Their answer will be solid. Stainless steel is blank conductor of a heat, that is a good conductor. Pressure cooker are provided with blank handles, copper, bakelite, aluminium, brass. That answer of this question will be bakelite. Cooking utensils are usually made of wood, plastic, stainless steel and glass. Then answer of this question will be stainless steel, C. Next question, blank is a bad conductor of the heat, copper, air, silver, gold. Then answer will be of this question will be air. Air is a bad conductor of heat. Next we will start our next part. There is a convection. There we have done, there is a three mode of the transfer of the heat. There is a first is the conduction, second is the convection, third is radiation. Now we will do second term, that is the convection. Convection, what is convection? That is also the term of the transfer of the heat. But how their transfer of the heat take place, there we will read. Most liquid and gases are the bad conductor of the heat, therefore they can't be heated by the conduction, because they by the conduction, that by the solid heat can pass from one material to another, but they can't heated by the conduction. Liquid and gases. Liquid and gases are heated by another process of the heat, that is called convection. Clear? The process of the transfer of the heat in liquid and gas by actual movement of the particle of liquid and gas is called convection. When their actual transfer of the particles is take place, that is convection. This one is take place in liquid and gas. That in the liquid and gas, heat is transferred to the convection because the molecule are quite free to move. The molecule of the solid is closely packed, their movement is not possible. So convection does not take place in solid, but in solid, that is the conduction take place. Clear? Practical application of the convection current, that is the usage of the convection current, where we are using this convection method, transferring of heat. First is a ventilator. Room are provided with the ventilator exhaust fan near the top of the side wall. Then the air we breathe out is warmer and hence lighter than the air around us. It move up in room, escape through the ventilator exhaust fan. The fresh air enter the room through the window and door. It cooler and take place of the warmer air rise upward, that is the convection current is set up. Clear? Now there is a heat transferring of the heat from the heat, that is a hot air outside, and there is a cooling take place, that the transferring of the air is take place. This method is the convection method. This a molecule is transformed from one place to another place. Second is the chimney. Chimney are fitted in the factories to remove undesirable fume and smoke. The smoke, fume and the hot furnace gases are lighter than the air. Therefore, they rise up and escape through the chimneys. There also convection take place. Installation of the room heater. How their installation? Room heater. During the room heater, there is a, when we are keeping that room heater at one place, then after some time that the heating hot air will be spread in the complete room. That also take place by the convection method. There we will read, it is advisable to place the room heater at the ground level for heating. Effective heating, the warm air near the heater rise up and the cool air from other sea area rushes it in to fill its space. The cool air is again heated up by heater set up a convection current, so all air inside the room become warm. As this like this, then the convection take place. Now next our convection current in nature. How their nature is take place? There in sea breeze, land breeze, like this here also, that air is blowing one place to another place, there also convection current take place. Then the breeze, generally breeze means air like this one near the coastal area. Breeze generally blow from the sea to land during the daytime and from the land to sea during the night time. So sea breeze, what is sea breeze? That is the breeze that is blowing from sea to land during daytime, and from land to sea, that is the land breeze during night time. These sea and land breeze are actually convection current. There is a blowing of the air in the sea and land, that is the convection current. First our sea breeze. Land absorb heat faster than the sea. During daytime the land heat up more quickly than the sea water, thus the air above the land surface being heated and expanded rise up. The cooler air above the sea surface blow toward the land to take its place. This set up convection current. The cool air from the sea breeze toward the land is called sea breeze. What is sea breeze? That is the blowing of the air from sea toward the land, that is the sea breeze. In picture also you can see that there is a warm air, that as warm air will be goes upward direction, then this one will go toward the sea. There is a colder air, then cold air will be go toward the land, then there is a procedure like this take place. This one is the transferring of the air, that is by the convection current. The window of the house in a coastal area are made to face the sea to receive the cool sea breeze. Next our land breeze. Land loses heat faster than the sea. At the night the land cooled more quickly than the sea. Thus the air above the sea being warmer rise up, cooler air from above the land surface blow toward the sea to take its place. This set up the convection current. The cooler air from the land move toward the sea. This is called land breeze. Clear? What is land breeze? That is the blowing of the air from the land to the sea, that is the land breeze. Next our third method, radiation. What is radiation? Radiation is also type of the transferring of the heat without affecting the medium, that is the radiation. For example, that is the from the sun on the earth, that light is coming on the sun on the earth from sun, that is the example of the radiation. There is a heat is transferring from the sun to our earth without affecting any medium, that is a radiation. Radiation need no medium any for transferring it from one place to another place. Clear? Then from here you can read it, that is that we receive heat from the sun by the radiation, that is the example of the radiation. Most the space between sun and earth is vacuum. There is no need of the medium, no necessary that there should be medium or not. Medium means solid, liquid, gas. If there will be not any medium, that means not having solid, liquid and gas, then also radiation is take place from one place to another place. The heat from the sun reaches travel through the vacuum. Heat energy transfer without the need any medium is called radiant heat. The radiation is the process of the transferring of the heat from hot to cold body without affecting the medium, that is the radiation needed no medium. Clear now? That is the radiation. And radiation is the fastest mode of the heat transferring as compared to conduction and convection. Radiation is the fastest. Which one is the fastest mode of the heat transferring? That is radiation as compared to convection and conduction. Clear? There is some application of the radiation is given, that we wear white and light color cloth during the summer because white and light cloth absorb less heat and keep us cool. On the other hand, we wear black and dark color clothes during the winters because black and dark clothes absorb more heat and keep warm us. Houses in the hot country are usually painted white and light colored because the house absorb less heat from the sun and keep cool during summer. Bottom of the cooking utensils is painted black because it will be absorb more heat, because black color will absorb more heat as compared to other color, and white color is absorb less heat. That's why we are taking the bottom of the utensils is black. The container of the solar cooker are painted black to absorb more heat from the sun. The electric room heater are called polished metal reflector. Behind the heating element, the polished surface reflects back the heat radiation following it. Next is the example of the thermoplast. Thermoplast is also special type of the vessel which keep the liquid hot and cold liquid cold for a long time. It is made in a way that is reduce the loss of the heat by conduction convection radiation to minimum level in the following manner. There is a process of this one thermos flask. Then read it yourself. Now your chapter is completed. Read your chapter up to this topic complete. Okay, thank you.